What is Bharatnatyam really about and how do you start learning it? Hi, I'm Gayatri and welcome to Gayatri Gatividya Gurukul, where we will learn, understand and grow in Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam is a combination of bhavam, which means expressions, ragam, which means music, and talam, which means rhythm. Natyam in itself is dance. That's why bhava raga tala is a perfect combination to form the word Bharatanatyam. This dance form can be traced back 2000 years ago in the temples of Tamil Nadu in South India, where it originated from. Bharata Muni codified this dance form in Natya Shastra, which is an ancient Indian treatise for performing arts. Those days, it was danced as a form of prayer and offering to divine and spiritual connectivity. Over the years, it moved from temples to stages, but it never lost its soul. But why should you learn Bharatanatyam? I get this question a lot. Here's the thing, when you start dancing or practicing, you're not just learning how to dance, you're learning how to be more focused, grounded and in tune with yourself. Bharatanatyam offers you three things. Physically, it improves your posture, stamina, strength and flexibility. Whereas mentally, it gives you clarity and discipline. And emotionally, it teaches you how to express your feelings using your face, hand and your body. So now the question is, where should you begin? The first thing is, you should have a right mindset. You need not be flexible. It's not important for you to know dance before you start learning it. It's fine. Everybody starts from zero and so can you. Remember that you have to be patient and it takes time. It's not something which is going to happen just in one day. It's a process. Any kind of skill or these particular dance form needs a lot of effort, but every drop of effort you put in is going to be absolutely worth it, and I can assure you that. Do not rush through YouTube videos or random videos, especially if you're a beginner. But if you're someone who wants to level up or improve their skills, maybe the videos can help you. But as a beginner, it's better to learn step by step under a right guidance. And that is exactly why I started this YouTube channel and my online classes. In this channel, I'll teach you not only the dance steps, but I will answer all the WH questions. What, where, why, when and how. For example, how to do Aramandi, how to improve the expression, why do we do the Namaskaram. All this will be answered in the right form and with the right knowledge, giving you complete clarity and confidence. And if you ever feel stuck, GGG is right here to help you. At Gayatri Gatividya Gurukul, we teach students across all levels and from different parts of the country. We make sure that we are giving you a structured training in the form of personal feedback, interaction, and also support throughout your journey. This is something I could not experience when I was learning as a child. Learning amongst 30 to 40 students at once, it was difficult for the teacher to focus or interact with us constantly. So we had to really challenge ourselves and give different tasks to reach up to a level. But I do not want you guys to suffer from the same thing which I did as a learner. So we are simplifying it for each one of you at GGG. Apart from YouTube, you can also join our WhatsApp community, which is a GGG community where I'll be sharing insights and different kind of resources every day to make sure that you all are more connected to this dance form and you understand it the way I did from my point of view. So if you want to join the community, you'll find the link for it in the description. Make sure that you click on it and join us. And if you're someone who wanted to start the journey but was really thinking where to do it from, then this is your sign. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel because the next video is actually going to help you take your first step in this dance form. I'll see you.